with, in fact, what is the oxygen supply, which has been a problem all across Delhi. Relief that there is a tanker standing behind me providing oxygen at the St. Stephen's Hospital, but it was a night of horror as far as the national capital is concerned yesterday, where everybody was on the edge. Many hospitals reported that they only have oxygen between 3 to 18 hours. It was late in the night when supply reached the GTB hospital. Many other hospitals, including the LNJP, Sanjay Gandhi, Deen Dayal Upadhyay, Gangaram Hospital, were on the edge, and they received supplies late in the night. While the GTB hospital has received 14 tons of oxygen, LNJP has been supplied with 10 tons of oxygen. With fresh supplies coming in, they at least have enough oxygen to go through the day. The Delhi government yesterday apprised the centre of fast depleting oxygen supply, saying major hospitals were on the last few hours of their oxygen supply.
आप कोविड पेशेंट को लेकर आए, क्या कह रहे हैं हॉस्पिटल वाले?
नो ऑक्सीजन, नो ऑक्सीजन, नो बेड। ओखला ही है सही में।
कहाँ पे बैठ रहे हैं अभी? आप काम क्या करते हैं अभी?
मैं जीबी पंत में एक्सरे डिपार्टमेंट में थी, रिटायर्ड हूँ।
We did receive through Government of Delhi also, and also from our regular supplier, and we have received almost 12,000 cubic meter of oxygen, which will be sufficient to run the hospital for another 24 hours. On daily basis, we require approximately between 9,000 to 10,000 cubic meter of oxygen. So I sent request to Government of Delhi to send the same vendor again to supply around 5,000, so that we are today and tomorrow at least we are safe.
All right, it's just not the national capital. I now, in fact, want to go across and just talk about a very, very disturbing story that is coming in from Maharashtra, where leakage as far as the oxygen plant is concerned resulted in the death of 22 people at the Zakir Hussain Hospital in Old Nashik. The tragedy struck when hospital oxygen supply was stopped for about half an hour following a leak in the oxygen tank. Some patients were shifted to other hospitals, but those who were on ventilator support could not survive. The leak was later brought under control. Nashik Municipal Commissioner Kailash Jadhav has said oxygen supply had to be stopped because of the leak. The state government has announced 5 lakh rupees compensation for the families.
आता निग्लिजन्स म्हणावं का वर्कमॅनशिप त्यातलं जो काम केलं, ज्यावेळी काम केलेलं असावं ते काम केलेलं वर्कमॅनशिपचा काही दोष आहे का? पण तांत्रिक हा बाब आहे आणि तांत्रिक बाबीमुळे खऱ्या अर्थाने ही घटना दुर्दैवाने घडलेली आहे. मला वाटतं याची सखोल चौकशी निश्चित प्रकारे केली जाईल आणि जेवढे मृत्यू झालेले असतील त्यांनाही मुख्यमंत्री निधीतून तातडीनं मदत त्यांची केली जाईल आणि मुख्यमंत्री निधीतून मदत करणं आणि त्यांना त्या ठिकाणी अशा घटना पुढे कधीच घडू नये या दृष्टिकोनातून आता काय काळजी घेतली पाहिजे.
The oxygen problem is not, just restricted to the national capital or to what you saw in Maharashtra. It's more or less coming in from every part of the country. Let me now take you to Lucknow, where patients have been struggling to get oxygen, vital oxygen, to save the lives of their loved ones.
On one hand, the government is saying that there are proper arrangements for the beds and oxygen supply, but the reality on the ground is that people and the family members, patients, be at the hospital, employee, they all are coming in big numbers to get the oxygen, which is highly in demand, and the suppliers are not able to supply as per what the situation is looking like. You can see we are here right now at the Nadarganj Murari Gas Private Limited. This is a place where they produce and supply the oxygen, but at the same time you can see so many people have come here who are also from the hospital side, but they have denied the oxygen, and that's the reason that big number of people are currently in a situation where they are roaming here and there.
डीएम साहब और सब मजिस्ट्रेट लोग आए थे जो कि यह निर्देश दे गए हैं कि बाहर के लोगों को ऑक्सीजन गैस नहीं मिलेगी, और जो भी ऑक्सीजन गैस है सारी गैस जो है जितने भी कोविड हॉस्पिटल है उनको प्रोवाइड करवाई जाएगी.
लोग हैं उनको नहीं मिल पा रही, वो परेशानी
मर रहे हैं, मरे बस
बाहर वाले जो मर रहे हैं, सब रो रहे हैं, चिल्ला रहे हैं, और हम लोग खुद ही परेशान हैं। हमारे घर में मरीज जो है सब मरा जा रहा है। अब हम लोग से कहा जाए, यहाँ कोई जांच जो पाता, पुलिस वाले आते लाठी डंडे को वहाँ के भगा देते हैं। अब हम लोग जाएं तो कहाँ जाएं, क्या करें, कहाँ जाएं?
Certainly, with the number of cases not only increasing in UP, but the medical facility, the infrastructure, and specifically the supply of oxygen has become a major challenge for the government. That's the only reason that these people who are coming here are denied the oxygen supply, and now they have no option than leaving their patient at home or at the hospital in hope to get some relief from the administration. In Lucknow with cameraman Sanjay Singh, Abhishek Mishra for India Today.
Desperate scenes were also witnessed in Damoh, Madhya Pradesh, where relatives, those who were struggling to get oxygen supply for their patients, resorted to looting of the oxygen cylinders from the storeroom at a hospital. The hospitals are facing acute shortage of oxygen cylinders, and desperate relatives are in fact trying to do whatever they can to procure the supply. All right, welcome back. And now it's just not the oxygen supply, but many medicines which are being written in prescription for COVID patients are also in short supply in the national capital. Now, we went to a lot of chemist shops to try and ask if these medicines are easily available. What we found was disappointing. Take a look.
तो पर सारी दवाइयाँ तो सर नहीं आ रही हैं, जैसे कि फेविफ्लू है कहीं मिल नहीं रही है, और सुबह से शाम तक 2-4 पेशेंट वापस हो ही जाते हैं। मेन फेविफ्लू मिलती नहीं कहीं।
भाई 5 से 6 दिन से बहुत पेशेंट भी परेशान हो रखे हैं, हमें खुद घर में देना है, उनके लिए नहीं हो पा रहा है।
तो ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, क्या शॉर्टेज है, क्या दिक्कत है?
पता नहीं, कुछ आगे से कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा। डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के पास, हमारे पास रिटेलियो से पता चलता है, ठीक है। रिटेलियो में हम सर्च कर रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे बिल्कुल क्वांटिटी 0 बता रहा है।
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.